complication research and improvement. In the traditional medicine discovery procedure, from thousands of molecules, a lead molecule might be gained, and thereafter, lead optimization is accomplished by considerable efforts in chemical composition to progress its bioactivity or to minimize the toxicity. It is well accomplished that numerous elements are caused by irregular protein-protein interactions, and alteration of these protein-protein interactions is charming for the emerging category of drug-like molecules. Structural incorporation through physical scales of biological institution extends from genes, then cell, tissue, organ, and finally all organism, where like functional integration includes understanding of data connected to gene expression, signal transduction, protein synthesis, ionic fluxes, metabolism, cell motility, and various such mechanisms. The chemist assists to determine which current chemicals to check for a lead compound and as well which can helps the man to be recomposed for biological assessment. However, the ever-extending world of systems medicine impacts are also presently performed so as to expedite different sides of the medication discovery and improvement protocols within the field of the pharmaceutical manufacture. By examining medication action across various scales of complication, from molecular, then cellular, and tissue standard, network-focused computational theories have the possibility to develop our perception of the effect of chemicals in individual health.